In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to choose the right building method, and how to make your report look the way you want, all without feeling overwhelmed. First, head to the left sidebar and click Reporting, then select Reports. This is your main hub for everything related to analytics. If your layout looks a bit different, don't worry. HubSpot updates the interface from time to time, but you're always looking for the reporting area and the reports section inside it. Next, look to the top right corner and click Create Report. HubSpot gives you 3 ways to build. The template report library is great when you want a quick start with best practice layouts for common use cases. Generate from AI can help you draft a report when you have a goal in mind, but aren't sure which metrics or visuals will best tell the story. And Start Your Own is perfect if you prefer full control from a blank canvas. After you pick a report type, it's time to customize how it looks. Choose the visuals that match your data and message, bar and line charts for trends over time, pie or donut charts for proportions, summary numbers for quick KPIs, and tables when you need detail. Adjust titles and labels so your audience instantly understands what they're seeing. If available in your view, refine the display with options like grouping, sorting, and colors to highlight what matters. Keep the design clean. One powerful chart beats a cluttered dashboard of many. Once you've added the report, it will show up in your list of reports. You can scan this list anytime to find what you've created and keep your analytics organized. Clear names and short descriptions make it easier for teammates to recognize the purpose of each report at a glance. From that list, click your report to configure it further and connect it to its sources. This is where you point the report to the right data, such as contacts, deals, tickets, or marketing activities, depending on what you're measuring. Align the report with the correct pipelines, teams, or properties so the numbers reflect the reality of your business. If you work across multiple objects, make sure the data relationships make sense so your visuals stay accurate and meaningful. And that's all. You've navigated to reporting, created a report using the method that fits your needs, customized the visuals to tell a clear story, and connected it to the right sources. You're ready to share insights with confidence.